how to enable secure boot in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable secure boot in Windows 11. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, let's start with the step 1. That is to check if secure boots is already enabled. So here, simply press Windows plus R, and now here in the pop-up menu, simply type msinfo32 and simply press enter. And now here in the system information, simply find the secure boot state. And now here, once you found that, beside the secure boot state option, if you find on option, then it means that the secure boot is already enabled. But here, if it says off, then you simply have to follow the next step. And with that, step 2, that is to access UEFI firmware settings. So here, simply press Windows plus I. And now here, once you're inside the settings, simply click on the search bar at the top and there simply type recovery. And now here, from the option, simply click on recovery option. And now here, once you are in this section, simply find the option labeled as Advanced Startup. And now here, once you have located that option, beside this option, you'll see the button labeled as Restart Now. So simply click on it. And here, after your PC restarts, simply select Troubleshoot, and there you simply have to click on advanced option, and after that you simply have to select UEFI firmware settings and simply click on restart. And with that, step 3 is to enable secure boot in BIOS or UEFI. So here, once in UEFI/BIOS option, simply look for the tab called boot security or authentication that varies by the manufacturer. So there, simply find the option to secure boot and change it to enabled, and there you can save changes and exit the UEFI, and after that your PC will restart. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to verify the secure boot. So here, after restarting the Windows, you can simply again press on Windows plus R, and there you can simply again type msinfo32 and simply press enter, and there you can simply check secure boot state, secure boot state. And now here, if you find it status as on, then you can see that it will be enabled, or you can mean that the secure boot system has been enabled on the Windows 11. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.